Hey Millie, hope your day is busy and successful. This is Sergio with Kansas City Business Operations. In this screencast, I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring more customers to your business with MillyRoss painting and remodeling. Now, the first question is usually along the lines of why you should do this. Well, partner, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes, the only hesitation they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I found by giving people an easy tap plan of things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in those local owners still raising their hands saying, I like you, Sergio, and can you please do this for me? So if by the end of the video you like what you heard, you can see the skills out to help your business grow and land more customers, and you shoot me a message back, we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it out yourself, that works for me too. Now before you try to do yourself, let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your local competition. And the first thing I like to go over it with you is your content. So in order for your business or any business to be fully optimized with Google, your landing page, aka homepage, needs at least 1,500 words filled with keywords. And since you don't have a page that we can show you, we'll be going over your competitor and to show you everything you need to know with your competitor's website. So in comparison with your competitor, they have about 1,836 words filled with keyword-rich content. Now this is still very beatable. This shows how rich keyword content is such a powerhouse of authority for Google. So every month, people are searching for certain keywords a number of times, which you miss out on not being number one. So as you can see, when I pull up this tool Ahrefs, it shows what your site's actually ranking for. So they have about 1,800 backlinks, almost 1,900, 660 referring domains, 1,400 organic keywords, and it's bringing in a total of 843 people per month to their website. So going deeper into the depths of keywords, I'm going to show you what you should target for your keywords. So painters and me, a lot of people use this. That's why the volume is 43,000. Also, it's a harder word to rank, so it's 12. KD is on a scale of 0 to 100. KD is how hard it is to rank. Cost per click deals with AdWords, so we're not really worried about this right now unless you want to run ads. And then traffic is derived on what position you are. And if you're in the first position, you're going to get the most traffic out of the bunch for this keyword, painters near me. So the best keywords I like to use for getting local buyer intent people or clients is a niche and a city. So interior painting Kansas City or Kansas City Painting Company. They both have something in common that has a niche city or city and niche, vice versa, right? So you can see he's in the first position for Kansas City Painting Company. And there's a total volume of 30 people searching this keyword per month. So he's getting about a third of that traffic going to his site because he's in the first position. Now, if he was in the second position, say this guy, right? 80 people are searching this keyword, interior painting Kansas City. But he's only getting 11 people coming to his website using that keyword because he's in the second position. So there's a little bit that you just learn about what a keyword does for your content. So now that you learn about that, let's go over to the next optimization section. And this is the second most important thing I like to talk about. We call this thing the Google Maps. So searching up painting Kansas City, you see it has about 480 people searching this keyword per month. So you go into the Google Maps, and you see tabs. And every tab has a business, and each business has a name, an address, and a phone number, aka maps. So it's probably asking, hey, how do I rank in maps? Well, always get your ratings up. Always ask for ratings, and if you can, 5-star ratings. Now, the behind the scenes of people that people usually don't know is you can go to this little tool called Whitespark, and inside the tool is a local citation finder. So to answer your question, they have about 44 citations. Now, this is why they are on the top. So as you can see, these citations, aka NAPs, are submitted word for word into directories such as Facebook, Yelp, bb.org, and so on, right? So if you enter your NAPs into these directories, it pops up a citation for your business, then ranking you further up with authority on this Google front page. Because usually people don't like to scroll all the way down. So now I should know a little bit about what goes into a citation and what it is. I can go on to the next optimization section. This is another important aspect of Google. We call this thing gives your site authority, link juice. So go into organic search for painting Kansas City. I know you have painting and remodeling, but I think it was just easier to search up painting Kansas City for this one, since you don't have a site, so it doesn't really matter yet. But You see Elite Painting, Kansas City is first. KC Neighborhood Painting, which is one I analyzing for you. And third, HH Painting KC, so on and so on, right? Now this is where you want to be on the first page of Google. But to get there, you need to be at the competition in every aspect. So this link juice simply put it works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B, therefore Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. So almost like a popularity contest. But there is a little more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. So for example, if your relative site say Great Plains Painting KC linking back to you, it'd be a lot more effective than like a pizza linking back to you because you don't sling pizzas for a living. So if you're looking to use this tool, I'm gonna pull up Ahrefs again. I pay about $100 a month. It's great to check out any link juice and keywords that any site may have to offer. So it'll give you some insight on things you could search for yourself. Well, I'm going to be going into their backlinks. Now this is the easiest way you can obtain backlinks. Now there's different ways. You can do blog posts, guest posts, link juice, which is the same thing as backlinks, but you can do anchor text at different keywords, which also ranks what your content is also having for keywords. So keyword density does matter as well. Just keep that in mind if you have any more questions. But going into this, we just keep scrolling down. You see every single site that they're going to link from and where the link is going to, and what their anchor text is. So keep scrolling down and take every single one that they have and make them your own. And that's the fastest, most efficient way you can make a backlink for yourself. So once again, right, we went over content, citations, and link juice. So for your front page, you need at least 1,500 words filled with keywords. Any service page or location page that you want to offer, you need at least 1,000 words so you can start ranking that later on. You can always start off lower, but you want to work your way up. And for your citations, you want at least 200 or 300 of these so you can be out the competition by a landslide. And I know you saw 44 citations just for this guy. There's a lot more other painters in Kansas City. So the last thing we went over with you is link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing you guys to show Google you are authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. So I bet you're wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route, you want to save yourself time, you can give me a call at 816-654-5822. Once again, my name is Sergio, and my number is 816-654-5822. I look forward to hearing from you, Millie, and you have a good one.